going to the beach, and the lake is looking super cool because she's wearing that.
Orange. I like this palm.
Which one? This one?
You almost killed him.
Oh, the little lizards?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try to film some. Hey there, this is Delyankosto. I'm a mural artist, and here are my top 2 tips for picking up the right mural artist for your project. Now, as a nature-inspired mural artist, my tip number 1 is always go for nature. Because if you're picking up something for your interior or exterior, it's most likely you'll get bored of it after 1 or 2 years, unless it is nature scene. If it's a landscape that is inspired by nature, epic nature scene, it is most likely you'll never get tired of it, because that's how we're made. That we're surrounded by nature. It was designed to live in nature environment. So when we see that, we never get tired of this. Any other abstract concept, you get tired of it. So that's tip number 1. And tip number 2 is pick the right mural artist. Check the, I don't know.
Just pick the right mural artist.
Hello. Okay, we're ready. Let's go. Okay, we gotta go.
It's not very interesting though. Oh, that hurt.
We after like a long time floating in the US, actually after post-COVID, during COVID, in the subtitles below it says, she said, I sound like a drug. Anyway, so finally we moved to Florida. My children's dream came true.
You don't have children.
Okay, so what is it? My childhood dream came true, or younghood dream. Anyway, now that we're in Florida and we are renting a place in Palm Beach, we had a really nice time today on the beach, and I'm trying to start a new chapter of my artistic life. We got a few jobs, a few mural projects here in South Florida, and this is our. Oh man! There are branches everywhere here. They cut these trees. Is this stressing you out? Oh, how is it?
Ще ти говориш много силно.
So I guess I'm speaking too loud, and it's a kind of private, quiet, rich people's neighborhood, and we're not fitting at all here. But this is our car parked on the side of the street right there, because we don't have a private driveway. Anyway, so we're trying to start living and working here, and expect more creative videos on my side. And my loving wife is supporting me all the time with straightening my vision about what is appropriate and what is not. Why are you wearing wetsuit on the street, by the way? You think you're a super cool surfer or something?